On today's menu is a very quick and easy cauliflower recipe that you will love making. Hey everyone, Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Bumbi. Okay, I will be roasting the cauliflower first. In a mixing bowl, I added a tablespoon of oil, a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder. You can even use regular chilli powder, but in that case use less, and a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix the spice powders with the oil. Cut the cauliflower into small pieces. Don't keep them too big because the bigger they are, they will take more time to get roasted. In it goes salt and freshly ground black pepper. Mix everything very well so that all the florets get well coated with all those seasonings. Here I have taken a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Lay out the cauliflower all in a single layer so that they get well roasted. Please see to it that the florets are not lying on top of each other because in that case they will get steamed and not roasted. Then put them in a very hot 400 degrees Fahrenheit preheated oven for about 20 minutes or until they reach your desired level of getting soft. After 20 minutes I just flip them around, then switch off my oven and leave it inside the oven. And while I make the masala, the residual heat of the oven will make the cauliflowers more tender. I always try my best to make use of that residual heat after my oven is switched off. I mean, why waste that heat? Okay, in the meantime, heat a pan on medium-high heat with 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Chopped onions go in. Fry the onions for 3 to 4 minutes and then add chopped garlic. Fry till the onions start developing this beautiful brown color along the edges. Next comes the bell peppers. I have used red, orange and yellow bell peppers, but you can even use one color or you can even use green bell peppers. Then sliced onions go in. So I have used one humongous sized onion, half of which I chopped finely and the other half I made thick slices. Then salt and freshly ground black pepper. Fry everything on high heat till the bell peppers start getting soft. But guys, by soft, I do not mean they will look mushy and sad with all their beautiful colors lost. We are not making some mashed bell pepper recipe today. They should be soft but should still have that characteristic of a little bit of crunchiness in them. At this point, I added a tablespoon of tomato paste, 2 teaspoons of curry powder and a teaspoon of sugar to balance the flavors. Now fry on high heat for 2 to 3 minutes. You can even use tomato sauce or tomato ketchup if tomato paste is unavailable at your place. Next, the gorgeous roasted cauliflowers join the party. And I love adding some frozen green peas as that add up to that color. Now take just a little bit of water in your palm and sprinkle it all around. You just need that little bit of moisture to bring everything together. Guys, we are not building a swimming pool today, so just a sprinkle of water will be enough to bring everything together. I also added a few chopped green chillies which are totally optional. Then finally, half a teaspoon of garam masala powder go in to perfume this dish. Cover on low heat for just 3 to 4 minutes. After 3 to 4 minutes, lift off and heat off and add a generous shower of chopped coriander leaves or parsley if you hate coriander. And you have this very delicious cauliflower recipe that everyone will absolutely love. You can serve it with rice or roti. I sometimes serve it with sweet potato flatbread, the recipe of which is showing up on the screen. Please smash that like button for me and I will see you in the next episode. Bye bye.